A misfiring engine is one of the most stressful things for a driver, and if you have pulled the code P2155, it means you are dealing with a Fuel Injector Group D circuit opened INT. This sounds technical, but it essentially means the computer has lost contact with one of your fuel injectors. In modern engines, fuel injectors have replaced carburetors to deliver gas or diesel directly into the engine cylinders with electronic precision. The computer controls these injectors by switching the ground on and off very quickly to spray fuel. The letter D in this code refers to a specific group or a specific cylinder, which usually corresponds to the fourth injector in the firing order, but you absolutely must check your specific vehicle service manual to confirm which cylinder, Group D, represents for your car. When the circuit is open, it is like a light switch that has been disconnected, meaning no electricity can get to the injector, so it never opens. The result is a dead cylinder. You will feel the engine shaking violently at idle. You will likely smell raw fuel if the injector is stuck or no fuel if it is not firing, and you will have a significant loss of power when trying to accelerate or climb hills. The most common cause I see in the shop is actually rodent damage, where rats or squirrels have chewed through the injector wiring harness because they like the warmth of the engine. Other causes include a loose electrical connector at the injector, internal failure of the injector coil itself, or in rare cases, a driver failure inside the engine control module. Troubleshooting this requires a multimeter set to measure resistance or ohms. First, find the injector corresponding to Group D and unplug the connector. Measure the resistance across the two pins on the injector itself and compare it to the specifications in your manual. If the injector measures open or infinite resistance, the injector is dead and needs to be replaced. If the injector tests fine, you need to check the wiring harness back to the computer for a break in the wire. This is often where you will find that broken wire or a pin that has backed out of the plastic connector. Fixing this code is critical because driving with a dead cylinder dumps unburned oxygen into the exhaust, which can overheat and destroy your catalytic converter very quickly. Take your time tracing the wires and you will usually find the break. Thanks for sticking around, and hopefully this helps you get back on the road smoothly.